Everybody, this is Kim. I'm back again with another quick video. I'm just going to show y'all how I prep the chicken that we bought from Sam's. I already rinsed it off and I was starting to cut it and get it prepped and everything. I'm sorry if I'm shaking the camera, but I'm going to show y'all how I do this, how I prep the meat so I could freeze it and we could use it for other ingredients. And then I'm going to also make some Parmesan chicken. All right, on to the video. Oh, also, don't forget to subscribe, click the thumbs up, leave me some comments at the bottom. All right, let's get to the video. Okay, this chicken, I'm just gonna freeze all this except this. I'm gonna cook this for tonight. But this will be put in the freezer. This will be used for like salads or a sandwich or chicken Alfredo or stuff like that. Or even fajitas. So that's what we use that for. For this, we could just use this for anything. If we want to make like chicken sandwiches, things of that nature, we already got we already have the chicken seasoned and ready to go. And I put 2 in each pack. And there's what, 3 packs? So yeah. So, and I have 6 chicken breasts in here that's marinating, and I'm gonna make chicken parmesan with that. Don't forget to subscribe, click the thumbs up, leave me some comments at the bottom. I see y'all in the next one. Peace.